How to find MySQL hostname in cPanel. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now first things first, you want to head over to the files category, and from here you then want to click on File Manager. Now inside File Manager, you want to click on the public HTML, and from here you then want to look for the wp-config.php. You can just go ahead and right click on this file, click on Edit, and once again you want to click on the Edit button. It will then go ahead and take us to this website right here, and if you scroll down you can then go ahead and see your database for SQL. We have the database username, password, hostname, and the database charset to use in the database table. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.